Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set sort check items to manually or automatically in Notes on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then in here tap on Notes. Next, scroll down and in the viewing section, tap on Sort Check Items. From here, you have two options. You can set it to manually or automatically. So select one of the options. And so here, automatically move checklist items to the bottom of the list as they are checked. And after that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.